Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today is my Boxy Charm Luxe box, and I'm very excited to see what I got. I chose a couple of things, and I like the things that I chose, but I'm really excited to see what else I have in here. Very exciting. And we've got some paper, and this is what it looks like on the inside. There's lots and lots of stuff in here this month, and it just says Boxy Charm. Get this all straight so I can try to read it. I am going to have to put my spectacles on because the print is a little small, and we just love it when I've got my glasses on because it makes me feel so special and retro. Let's start with this first thing I see here, and this is from Keys. This is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum, and this is from Alicia Keys' company, and it is Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. It's a hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. $26. I almost forgot we like to keep tabs on how much value we get out of this box. I believe this box is like $55 now. So $26. And it is sealed, so I'm going to keep it sealed for right now, because I don't need a new glowing primer, but I'm glad to have it. Next up it says from Uve Limited Collection, 3 full size and 3 mini makeup blenders. It says be you, it says free to be you. And I'm going to keep all these in here. It's a big sponge and some little sponges. So we've got 6 sponges in here, and this is a $65 value. I don't go for that. That's crazy. I wouldn't spend $65 on sponges ever. That is definitely way too much for its own good. Next we have from Iconic London. It's a sheer blush, and it is in Rose Riot. And this is $27, and it's a beautiful color. And I don't use a lot of cream blushes, so I'm not going to sample this, but that's a beautiful color. And I will pass it on to someone who will like a cream blush for sure. Then we have from Elemis, Clarifying Clay Wash, Skin Clearing Face Wash. And this is for blemish prone skin with Boldo Leaf Clay Hawthorn. It cleanses, purifies, and balances. And it says deeply cleanses pores and reduces the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash, specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin. This non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities, hawthorn extract to help relieve the skin feeling soothed, and boldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps visibly improve the look of skin texture while minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Gentle enough for daily use. It leaves skin looking clearer, less oily, and more even with every wash. And this is $49. I don't really have blemish-prone skin, but I do know somebody who has a daughter that does. So this will be a great thing to pass on. And this is a nice big hefty tube. So far, I'm not in love with this box. From Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. And this is a luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. $43. Let's take a peek-a-loo at this. We're really getting through this box pretty quickly. And it's a beautiful plastic package. Oh, it smells really great, very herbal and lavendery. I'm not going to dip my fingers in it because I have so much skincare. But I believe that it is a good texture, it looks like. All right. Next up we have from NARS. It's an iconic lipstick, no rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils enhances the color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically light wear and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression, $26. And it's in its, come on NARS. It's in a tiny little tube, and it's the iconic square tube. And that's a beautiful, nice nudie color. Good for so many people. I do not wear bullet lipsticks, so this is not anything I will be able to use. I am not loving this Luxe box this month. Then I have from Patrick Ta. This is Lip Shine Major Glow. And it's a universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. $22. This is tough to open. Let me try this other end. That's even tougher to open. Patrick Ta does not want me to get in here. I just want to see the pretty lip shine. Alrighty. And it's just a real basic shiny lip gloss with some reflective qualities to it. That'll look good for almost anybody. I don't use a lot of lip glosses. And then last but not least, we have Discover Eyeshadow Palette from Rare Beauty. And this is $29. I'm gonna have to re-add up this box because I don't think the value is there for the money, because usually it's over a $300 value I usually expect for the Luxe.
I found this on the web.
Siri, be quiet. My watch decided to talk for us. All right. And this is kind of a concave little beauty here. And that's very beautiful and very wearable. Let's read about this. Inspired by Selena's playful side, these berry and rose-based shades celebrate the ever-changing colors we reflect every day. Discover easy-to-wear combos that you don't have to think about with 7 rich buttery shades and a range of finishes from matte to duochrome, plus a 3D glitter top coat, which is the center shade, to add shimmering dimension to any look. $29. This just does not seem like good value. I'm going to re-add this up really quickly. It's a beautiful palette, so bear with me. This is under a $300 value. I get $242 when I add this up. And that's really a low value for a Luxe box. I'm not really thrilled with it. I mean, I'm happy to get a palette, and these other things are nice, but it's nothing that I really will use anytime soon. So, blah, blah. I'm not loving it this month. Maybe I should stop getting the Luxe for a while. Something to think about. So, with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and maybe the base box will be better next month than this Luxe. Thanks. Bye.